I have never in my life seen anything like this. This is a mascara with an adjustable wand. Let me know if you've ever seen that before. I have never ever seen it. This is from a brand new brand called Kake Beauty, and this just randomly popped up on my For You page one day, and I was like, I have to try this because not only has it got an adjustable wand, but it is also a serum mascara, and it is also a tubing mascara. If you have issues with mascara smudging on you, then try a tubing mascara. I promise you, they do not smudge. Well, at least the ones I've tried so far. Obviously, I will do an honest review and wear test of this, and I really hope that I love it because I love the idea behind this. I genuinely think this is the first product that this brand has put out, so it's a really small independent brand. So let's just try this. I can't actually see myself right now, so let's see how easy this is to apply. It's definitely not messy or hard to apply, that's for sure. It's got a plastic wand, which I absolutely love. These are my favorite types of wands. Okay, I'm not going to come out and say that that is the most volumizing mascara I've ever tried in my life. However, that has separated my lashes so beautifully. They just look like really fanned out, and it's also lengthened them massively. So I really, really love the way that has made my lashes look. Okay, that is it applied to that side as well. I can see it's not a fluke. So let's try adjusting the wand now. Basically, it's this twist at the end, and you just twist it and it sort of bends over like that. And I think the point of it is so that you can use it on your bottom lashes. Oh, wow. Again, I'm not even looking in my mirror right now. That does make it so much easier because you're like facing it straight on rather than sideways, but the brush is still sideways because obviously it's curved. You know, I wouldn't have even minded if the adjustable wand was completely pointless just because I love the idea of it so much, but it actually did really genuinely make applying it to the bottom lashes much easier. And also if you've got quite small and difficult lashes, it's really, really nice that there's a mascara out there that you can adjust for any eye shape and stuff. I just love the idea of it. Before the wear test, I am just going to apply a little bit more. I will say my lashes are still feeling very flexible. They're not like super hard, so it seems to be really easy to add another layer. Okay, that is with 2 layers. Again, not the most volumizing thing I've ever seen, but I really like this for my own lashes, and it's definitely more volumizing than some other tubing mascaras I've tried. Also, I haven't even really spoken in depth about the fact that this is a serum mascara, so it's got a lash growth serum sort of built in. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how this wears. Okay, it's the end of the day, and I'm very excited because it's been super warm today. I have been very sweaty. It's been about 7 hours since applying this mascara, and there is absolutely zero panda eyes going on. There is a tiny bit of flaking under this eye, which is very common with tubing mascaras. Some are worse than others. This one I would say isn't the worst with the flaking, but there is a little bit of flaking, which is worth pointing out. However, as I said, that's common with tubing mascaras, and flaking is a lot easier to get rid of than smudging. I'm so relieved because I really didn't want to come on and like bash a small brand, but I really like this. So yeah, what a cool first launch for Kake Beauty. I cannot wait to see what else they come out with. As I said, this isn't sponsored at all. I bought this with my own money. They don't even know I'm posting this review. So I really hope that this actually gets their name out there a little bit more because like I said, this is the kind of innovation I want to see in brands. So let me know what you think if you've tried this, and thanks for watching.